Welcome to the CPC video on DIY leaking shower repair. This video will demonstrate the 3 steps to fixing a leaking shower without removing the tiles. Step 1. Clean and repair the surface. Clean the surface of any dirt, mold or discoloration. Allow the surface to dry. Protect any plastic, metal or glass surfaces. If there are holes or cracks in the surface greater than 1 mm wide or any damaged grout, repair them using fresh grout. Allow the grout to dry. Step 2. Apply shower plug. Apply 1 coat of shower plug to the entire wall surface. Wait 5 minutes. Apply a second coat. Wait 5 minutes. Wipe away the remaining shower plug. Now apply shower plug to the floor. 2 coats 5 minutes apart and wipe away the excess 5 minutes after the second coat. Step 3. Finishing touches. It is recommended to apply silicone joint sealant to areas that may be affected by building movement. Clean brush or any splashes with a cloth. The shower will be totally waterproof and ready to use in 12 hours. Shower plugs' waterproofing effects will last a minimum of 10 years. Shower plug is available for purchase in Bunnings Warehouse and online. Please see the description below for links and details.